Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this is going up for a WXY. I think we already made three waves of W. I think we already made three waves of X, and I think this is an ABC of wave Y, which I still believe is going to go up and take out the high of wave W and probably the high of wave 4. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as impulsive up. I think it's a wave 1. Well, first of all, this is an A over here. This is a B, and I think we're in a wave C. So this is a 1 of C. Most likely this is an ABC, which is a 2 of wave C. And I think we are very likely to be in a wave 3 of wave C, which on this higher time frame I do believe will continue to make higher highs and higher lows and just keep on trending up. Going down to the daily time frame, I think we have a wave 1 in here, 5 waves up of 1. I think we already have an ABC of 2. I think we're already in a wave 3. Now, we do have a possibility of this being 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 5 waves down for like a, running flat or an expanding flat. But based on what I see on the weekly, monthly time frame, I think that is the least likely scenario. I think that, yeah, there probably will be some pullbacks along the way, but I do not think it's going to go down and take out these lows. I think it's just going to continue to make them higher highs and them higher lows and just keep on trending up. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we are in a little bit of a pullback right now. Until we actually go down and break some structure, then the trend is definitely up even on the 4 hour time frame. So for now, I would definitely still be looking at any moves to the downside as potentially corrections to the uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push up. Unless it goes all the way down here and breaks that structure right there, I would definitely still only be looking for longs. If it does decide to go down and break this structure, then that would definitely turn me into a seller. But for now, I am definitely looking for longs. To me, it kind of looks like this is impulsive down, possibly a wave A. This looks like it could be 1, 2, 3 waves up, possibly a wave B. Kind of seems like we may already be in that wave C. So if you get a Fibonacci bounce, wave C's can definitely make higher highs. That's either a running flat or just an irregular ABC. So if you do get a nice Fibonacci bounce off either any one of these levels, a nice impulsive up, a nice break of structure, whether it happens now or whether it actually goes down to a lower level and does it, doesn't really matter to me. I will patiently wait for a proper entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.